Hi there everyone, it is John here from My Online Store Zone again, and welcome to today's episode. The main reason for me making this video again is to apologize for my previous video. I know the sound quality and the audio quality was really bad. You most probably say to yourself, what is this guy about? Because I cannot hear a word what he's saying. I sincerely apologize. With that being said, I just want to remind you guys and just explain once more what our website is about, because I believe the website, the name of the website doesn't explain what our website is about. It says here, My Online Store Zone, stay healthy for life. I think the slogan says it all by saying stay healthy for life. Our website is going to specialize in health and beauty products that we are going to export worldwide. So when you go to our front page, which is the shopping part, you will see the different products that we will have on display. On the right hand side of the page, you will see a subscribe below button. All you have to do is enter your email and subscribe, and we will send you a confirmation email that will say exactly what our website is about, and you will be able to get daily, weekly, or even monthly updates on new products, coupons and sales, and even sometimes giveaways. Giveaways is something that I'm going to put a lot of emphasis on, because I believe each and every subscriber that you have should be rewarded, number one, for their loyalty, number two, for taking the time to just to open up an email, stuff like that. It counts for a lot. It for me personally, it means a lot, because number one, I believe in engagement. Number two is with it goes with engagement. It's to create a relationship, a friendship, to be able to say that I know him, he has been online for a while, he knows what he's talking about, he does his homework, and he try his best to stay in contact. There is so many media or social media forums and apps that you can use these days, but the ones that I really use and put emphasis on is YouTube, Facebook, Reddit, and Twitter and Instagram. So those are the social mediums that you can watch out for and be assured of staying updated. So if you have a Facebook account, go to my Facebook page, which is My Online Store Zone, and just subscribe, and you will be able to get all of the latest updates. So when you go on my page and you will scroll down, you will see the most popular products. This is my most favorite product, and one that I truly believe in these days is the Unisex Magnetic Posture Corrector. It's something that will help you keep your body straight. There is a lot of health risks involved with not having the correct body posture. I actually have written an article about it. When you go to news, and you go down, scroll down, and here is my latest post. Excuse me if this might look vulgar, but this is a YouTube video, and it's not even my own YouTube video. I use someone else's video, but the emphasis is all about your body posture. If you do not have the correct body posture, what will be the risks involved? So if you can read the article. If you don't want to read the article, just watch the video and you guys will see exactly what I'm all about. And here, this product, this simple unisex magnetic posture corrector, will help you with that. So with that being said, when you scroll down, you will see the different categories within our website. And this is going to expand a lot. I cannot imagine how many categories there will be, with subcategories as well. So keep an eye out for that. When you scroll down to right at the bottom of the page, you will see our rating for every product. Obviously 1 star meaning less favorable, and 5 stars meaning the most favored, which is an excellent product, and 1 star which will be a poor product. You can write a review. I encourage everyone to please write a review. It doesn't have to be it doesn't have to be a long review. All you have to write is 3 words. Those 3 words is shipping time, quality of the product, and what you think of the product. So for example, you can say the shipping days, 21 days, 14 days. The quality of the products, 5 stars. You can rate it just above the article. And number 3, excellent, poor, whatever your view is within the product or on the product. Please, I encourage you to do that. When you scroll down at the or the bottom of the page, you will see all our contact details, my personal contact details, myonlinestoreZone@gmail.com. I know that @gmail is not professional at the moment. I am going to upgrade that to a more professional email that will say john@myonlinestorezone.com or something like that. Here is my personal telephone number. When you telephone this number, you will be in contact with me directly. Here is our work address. You can Google that and see exactly where we are working from. And that's basically it from My Online Store Zone for today. Just one quick mention. When you go to the left hand side, you will see there is different sharing buttons. So you can share on Facebook, Google+, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, StumbleUpon, and when you click this button, you will see a lot more apps. You can even go to email. You can go to Reddit, Buffer, Yumly, Dig, Delicious. Geez, there's so many apps these days. I don't know what to keep up with. So yes, with that being said, thank you for tuning in. Have a great time. Until next time, goodbye now.